Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ready to supercharge your training? This guide will walk you through seamlessly connecting your Garmin device with the Runna app for 2025. Linking these two powerful platforms means your workout data automatically transfers, giving you an effortless way to track progress. It's all about making your fitness journey smoother and more integrated, so you can focus purely on your runs. Before diving into the Runna app, let's ensure your Garmin setup is ready. First, open your Garmin Connect app and verify that your device is paired and syncing correctly. Take a quick look to confirm your recent activities, like those awesome runs, are showing up perfectly. Having a strong, stable connection here is the vital first step for everything else to fall into place. All right, with Garmin Connect all set, it's time to open your Runna app. Head over to your profile or settings area, usually found by tapping an icon in the corner. From there, you'll want to find connected apps or integrations, and then simply select Garmin from the available list. You'll be asked to authorize the connection, granting Runna permission to access your activity data securely. Once connected, let's quickly confirm everything is working smoothly. Go ahead and record a short activity on your Garmin device, perhaps just a walk around the block. Then, open your Runna app and check if that new data has automatically appeared within a few minutes. If it hasn't, try refreshing your Runna app or simply reauthorizing the connection in the settings. Sometimes a quick resync does the trick. And there you have it. With your Garmin and Runna now perfectly linked, all your activities will automatically populate your Runna training plan. This incredible integration means you can forget about manual data entry, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, you're free to fully focus on your training sessions, knowing all your progress is effortlessly tracked and organized for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.